Housecall Pro can take a plumbing job from first phone call to final payment in one workflow, and that's exactly why a lot of plumbing businesses switch to it. The question is whether it actually fits how plumbers work day to day. By the end of this, you'll know if Housecall Pro is worth using for plumbing, and whether it matches the size of your business. Here's the direct answer. For small and mid-sized plumbing businesses focused on service calls, repairs, and maintenance, Housecall Pro is usually a strong fit. For larger plumbing operations with heavy inventory and more complex project tracking, it can start feeling limited. Start with the daily workflow. A customer calls for a leak, clogged drain, water heater issue, or pipe repair. You book the job, dispatch the plumber, send appointment updates, and track everything in one system. That keeps the office organized. For plumbing, fast scheduling matters because emergency calls can change the whole day. Housecall Pro handles that well. The mobile app is one of its stronger points. A plumber in the field can check job history, add notes, upload photos, create invoices, and collect payment on site. That speeds up cash flow. For smaller plumbing businesses, that matters a lot. Customer communication is another strong area. Automatic reminders and technician tracking reduce no-shows and missed appointments. That improves the customer experience. Recurring maintenance works well too. If you offer annual inspections, drain maintenance, or water heater servicing, Housecall Pro can automate those recurring visits. That helps keep revenue consistent. Now the weak spots. Inventory is basic. Plumbing businesses often carry fittings, valves, connectors, water heaters, and repair kits across multiple vans. Housecall Pro can handle simple parts, but deeper stock control gets harder as the business grows. Job costing is another limit. If you want detailed profit tracking by labor, materials, and technician performance, reporting is lighter than platforms like ServiceEditon or Simpro. That matters for bigger install jobs. Commercial plumbing is where the gap gets bigger. Longer timelines, phased work, and larger teams usually need stronger project tools. So is it worth it? If you're a 1 to 10 truck plumbing business doing residential service, repairs, and maintenance, Housecall Pro fits really well. It keeps scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication clean. If you're scaling into larger installs or heavy inventory, you may outgrow it. The 3 things to remember are simple. Housecall Pro is fast, easy, and strong for service plumbers. It gets weaker as operations get more complex. The next step is to look at how much of your business is service calls versus larger installs. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.